Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Crews work to repair roads before another storm moves in. Public Works crews in New Hampshire were repairing roads Tuesday before another storm brought more snow to the state. Workers in many cities and towns were busy filling potholes before more bad weather arrived. The cycle of freezing and warm weather this winter have taken their toll on the state's roads. In Londonderry, a number of problem potholes had been reported, officials said. State and local public works crews were busy fixing Route 102, Ash Street, and Pillsbury Road. In the meantime, snow removal and salt trucks were made ready for the storm forecast to arrive after Wednesday's morning commute. The State Department of Transportation issued an advisory for all state highways and electronic billboards. Remind drivers to be prepared. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll be back with more news reports tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Bye.